In this video, you'll learn how to shorten your Microsoft Bookings link so it's cleaner, easier to share, and more professional. Long, messy links can look intimidating in emails, chats, or on social media, and they're easy for people to misread or mistype. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a neat, shortened link that points straight to your bookings page and is simple for anyone to use. First, you'll want to start by getting the original link you want to shorten. In this case, that's your Microsoft Bookings link, which is often shared through Microsoft Teams. Open Microsoft Teams on your computer or in your browser and go to the place where your bookings link is already shared. This might be in a chat, a channel post, a calendar invitation, or a message from the Bookings app. Once you've located the link, highlight the entire thing carefully. Make sure you include everything from the beginning of the address all the way to the end so the link doesn't break. Then copy it either by right-clicking and selecting copy or by using your keyboard shortcut such as Control-C on Windows or Command-C on a Mac. At this point, your link is stored in your clipboard and you're ready to shorten it. Next, open your web browser and go to the Bitly website. Bitly is a popular and widely used link shortening service that turns long URLs into short, readable ones. You can use it for things like email signatures, social media posts, text messages, or anytime you want a link that looks tidy. When you get to the Bitly homepage, you may see options to sign up or log in. If you already have a Bitly account, it's a good idea to log in so you can track clicks and manage your links in one place. If you don't want to create an account right now, you can usually still shorten a link as a guest, though you won't have access to detailed tracking or customization features. Look for a field on the page where you can paste a long URL. Click into that field and paste your Microsoft Bookings link that you copied from Teams. Again, make sure the entire link is there and that it starts with the correct prefix like HTTPS. Once the link is pasted in, find the button that lets you create or shorten the link. It may say something like shorten, create, or generate. Click that button and Bitly will quickly turn your long Microsoft Bookings URL into a much shorter link. You'll see the new short link appear on the screen. Take a moment to copy this new link just like before using right-click and copy or your preferred keyboard shortcut. Before you start sharing it widely, it's a good practice to test the shortened link. Open a new browser tab, paste the short link, hit enter, and confirm that it takes you to your Microsoft Bookings page. If it does, you're all set. From here, you can use this short Bitly link anywhere you'd normally share your booking link, in email signatures, chat messages, calendar invites, on your website, or in social posts. It will make your communication look cleaner, and it makes it easier for people to click, remember, and share your scheduling page.